Hello, this is Kona back with POS Guys. Today I'll be showing you Star Micronics TSP143IV series latest printer. This is the X4 printer, and what makes this stand out from the previous printers is that it has all the interfaces all in one printer. So it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, and USB. It is compatible with Android, Windows, and iOS devices, and so it is a very flexible printer for your business. It works in various environments, which is great if you ever decide to change your setup. And so I'll be reviewing the different popular setups with each interface, just so you can kind of see how that looks and how that might compare and how you might be able to see that in your business. And I will be also showing you a test print of each interface just to show the functionality of the printer. So let's dive right into this. As you can see, we have all the ports right here. So we have an Ethernet port, a USB-C port, and a USB-A port. And for USB, usually a single station Windows setup is good, or a square setup, and so we're gonna do a square setup with this one. And so I have my USB cable and I'm gonna plug it right in. Okay, and it says printer connected, and now we're going to print a test. Now we have an Ethernet setup, and so a typical setup would be a PC connected to a receipt printer or having an iPad. In this case, we have it connected to the PC, and so we're going to test print that. And it works just great. Here we have a Bluetooth setup. A Bluetooth setup is good for iPad, tablet, or single station when you can't run wires. The only thing with Bluetooth is that you can only connect the receipt printer to one device, whereas with Wi-Fi, you can connect a receipt printer to different devices at the same time. So let's test print. And there we go. We currently have a Wi-Fi setup, and what's great about Wi-Fi is that you don't have to have any wires anywhere, but you do have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is pretty stable, otherwise it just won't work. But a common setup would be with an iPad running a POS software or a Windows PC, which we're using in this case. So yeah, let's print. And it looks just like that. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the interface options that this printer has to offer. For more information, please visit POSGuys.com. We'll see you in the next video.